Hi everyone, welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today I want to touch base on the elements of design that should be integrated when you're flipping a home, but also give you some tips of when you don't want to invest too much in that property and do just a small facelift. When you're an investor and you're looking to flip a home, you're always looking the fast-paced turnaround, of course, because you have limited time, especially if you do a hard money lending. But I always like to advise people that that is great when the home has the right bones, a good enough layout that will entice people to really buy that property and work for them. Especially in today's day and age when people are really looking for space that works for them or has the element of being renovated a little bit further. But if they're buying a flipped home, they're not going to want to do additional work. So this is where you come in and make sure you take on those aspects into the renovation so they want to buy it and you have more people bidding on it. So when it comes to this, it's the key here is space planning. Space planning is important because when you enter a space, if it's boxed out, enclosed, and you're trying to just give it a quick facelift, you're not going to remove that sense of that space with just good paint and flooring. So you want to be able to renovate it in such a way where you open up the space or move certain spaces around so then it makes more sense. The way we live in society now is not what it was in the 1960s or even 1920s. So depending on how old your house is, the layout will not make sense for a family in today's day and age. So that's where I come in. We talk about what you're trying to do, what your budget is, and see what elements we can switch up and adjust to making a modern home and be more enticing for buyers. Now, if you have a house that has good structure, good layout, that's where we can just generally talk about overall elements that can be implemented to give it that facelift, whether it is creating accent walls with paint, upgrading the flooring, upgrading the heating and cooling system. Installing new windows is so key, especially with how things are going with prices. Eco-friendly, energy-efficient windows make a big difference. Also, adding insulation to the exterior walls might be a little bit of a higher investment, but it makes a huge difference in the efficiency of the home, and you can use that as a marketing tactic when you're selling it. Other elements is doing a facelift to the kitchen, renovating the bathrooms, of course. You might not need to blow it all up. It's just bringing the tile to today's day and age. I've seen so many older homes that still have those all blue, all pink, all yellow bathrooms. And just by changing the tile, changing the paint colors and the light fixtures, it makes a huge difference overall. So whether it's an intensive project that you're getting permits for or something that is more cosmetic just to give it that facelift that you want, having the eye and input of a designer and architect is very important. And remember, when you're buying these properties, you have to think about how much you want to invest in them. So when you're talking to Dream Select Realty, be vocal about what you're looking for so they can give you the right properties to look at and also in the right location. It all comes together at the end of the day to really market that property afterwards and get a higher return on investment. Hope this was helpful, but if you have any more questions, definitely feel free to reach out and ask more about it. Thank you. Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables
of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.